CC cycle 1, 2, and 3, timeline week 12. Okay, so we start with Genghis Khan. I'll sing it first and then explain the moves. All right. Genghis Khan rules the Mongols, England's Magna Carta, Ottoman Empire, Marco Polo's journey to China, the 100 Years' War, and Black Death, the Renaissance, China's Ming Dynasty. Right, so we start with Genghis Khan. G for Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan rules, okay, the sign for rule is two fingers like this, and you pull it back and forth like you're trying to control a horse. Rules the for Mongols. England's Magna Carta. So you do the sign for England, which is like shaking your own hand. And I like this, the other one underneath, and just shake it. Okay. England's Magna Carta literally means Great Charter. So we're going to do the sign for great, which is this. Magna. And then the charter is a law. So Carta, they made a rule that said the king does not have ultimate power. So they can avoid tyrants. So England's Magna Carta. Ottoman Empire, so you make a big O, and then I just move it around like in the shape of an oval because you're trying to trace the shape of Turkey. So because the Ottoman Empire is where Turkey is now. Ottoman Empire was where Turkey is now. Okay, so Ottoman Empire, Marco Polo's journey to China. So you're going to pretend you're playing Marco Polo. So you're going to hide and open. So Marco Polo's journey to C for China. Okay, Marco Polo's journey to China. The 100 Years' War. So you're going to do the sign for 100, which is 1 and a C. So C for century. So 100 Years' War. Okay, this way, this way, this way, this way. The sign for war. And Black Death. So the literal ASL sign for Black Death would be the sign for black and then death. But on CC Connected, they do this, and it kind of represents a bit more what the Black Death was. So we're choosing to do this one. Okay, so the 100 Years' War and Black Death. The Renaissance was like a rebirth of a lot of great ideas. So you're taking an R, looks like this, R, and you're going underneath your hand. That's like a rebirth. So the Renaissance, China's Ming Dynasty, you do the sign for China, which is the buttons on their royal tunics. So shoulder, shoulder, hip. Okay. China's Ming Dynasty, they built a big part of the Great Wall. So we're going to build. Okay, that is it.